Even though I ain't got nowhere to go today and nothing to do, I think I might actually get cute and wear my new, well, it's new because I haven't worn it yet, but I bought it months ago. But I might get cute and wear my new little summer fashion over outfit. I can't do my hair, but I can throw a wig on. Well, today is the day. Right, mama? Today is the day that we go enroll Michael in daycare. I honestly believe that Michael is gonna be okay. I think she's gonna love daycare. Just seeing like how excited she gets when she sees other little kids, the rare times that she sees other little kids. Now she just runs over to them and is smiling on their face and she wants to play and stuff. And she never cries ever when I leave her with anybody. I mean, I do be leaving her like with family members that she knows. But also like when she meets new people and I just kind of what you say? I don't know. She just never cries when I'm not like just because I'm not there with her. But I know, stop mama. I know I'm gonna cry when I have to leave her there. I know I am. Like, I'm gonna be boohoo crying. Just a little clip of Michael because she is the cutest baby in the world. Maybe not in yours, but definitely in mine. Oh! You okay? And drink some water, mama. That's why I gave you that water. You could wash them dry waffles down. I still can't believe that somebody who used to not even get myself up in the morning to go to school or like until 10 minutes before I had to be leaving was actually getting up and getting myself and a little baby ready. I mean, most of the time I don't be cute, but she always cute. So as long as I take care of her, that's all that matters. Why are you kicking me? My face is probably like dry or like tear stained. So I've been cutting onions. You know, none of these tips that people have given me or that I've looked up online for. You okay? This girl, she just stepped on the rug and like slid for like, well, her foot slid forward and she fell back in slow motion like this. And her head hit the ground like ever so gently. And she just lay there like. But yeah, I can't find a solution for to stop my eyes from burning and watering while I'm cutting onions. So if anybody has a solution for that, let me know. I'm taking all kinds of tips. None of them have worked so far though. But anyway, we went and got Michael's dental physical earlier, and I realized that I actually already had 2 copies of her physical from the doctor's office printed out because they asked me about daycare the last time we went. So that was good because we didn't have to travel there because, you know, we're traveling on the bus because I don't drive. Like we just did it for the first time last week and it was a success. And then we got on the train and we went to go see grandpa. And so now we're used to it. It's all good. But so we did that today. So we're going to enroll her in daycare on Thursday. Just like I feel like my life now that I've made certain changes to people that I allow to be close and to deal with or whatever, my life now is like figuring out how to do new things every day that I wasn't doing before. Most of it is just traveling because, you know, we always got to ride to places, but now I have to figure transportation out for us. So That's gonna be a new, but you know, putting her in daycare is gonna be brand new. Like I've always worked at home. I've been with her 24/7 since the day she was born. Even when I was going to work for that little month and a half after my maternity leave, I was still taking care of her all day, and I was going to work, you know, working graveyard shifts, so she was in the bed. But yeah, this is gonna be our first time like being away from each other all the time. Her first time being in daycare and like being around other little kids all day, and you know, dealing with other authority figures that aren't family members. And tomorrow we're going to the laundromat for the first time ever. So it's right across the street, so we should be fine. But yeah, it's just a lot of firsts. Oh, mama, you done messed up your hair already, and you ain't even taking a nap. We're watching Teen Mom. I didn't watch it when it was on TV, so I've just been catching up on it ever since I was on maternity leave. Y'all already know what time it is. I'm cooking dinner. Got my steak. Let's go ahead and put these in here. It looks so much better in person than it does on this camera. This is the steak stir fry I was talking about with the mushrooms and broccoli. And I'm about to pour some ramen noodles in here too, actually. Michael's potty just came. I'm about to unbox it. I'm like so geeked. I got her a couple of summer onesies too. I got her one of the potties that looks like a big girl potty. Just because I feel like that will make her, like, she's very smart. So she one of them kids where she likes playing with your smartphone. You cannot give her a toy smartphone. She knows the difference. And so I knew she would want something more real so she could feel like she's actually using the potty that mommy uses. So I got her this. She's asleep right now, but I literally cannot wait until she wakes up so I can make her go sit on the potty. Like, I know it seems kind of early because she's only 16 months, but my mama said I was fully potty trained by the time I was 2, so I want to get her started early because mommy tired of paying for diapers.